Come on. Come on, Naya. No matter what. If I have these two out, they seem to go in different directions. Oh, good. Hey. My son just cut the lawn, so it's not higher than these puppies. They can run pretty easily. Stop. What? I'm not talking to you. Careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gosh, his color has changed again.